Hello everyone, I am Murali Krishna and today we are going to discuss about cloud forensics. What is cloud forensics? For years, digital forensics has been used in computer crime investigations. It has changed and progressed in response to technological advances and is currently entering a new phase as the concept of cloud computing is emerging. Cloud computing is a computing model that enables on-demand network access to share pool of configuration computing resources from anywhere in the world. For example, networks, servers, storage, applications, and services. In the field of digital forensics, the concept of cloud computing has produced unique obstacles. So in this video, we are going to discuss about cloud forensics. Cloud forensics is the application of digital forensic science in cloud computing environments. Technically, it consists of a hybrid forensic towards the generation of digital evidence. Now let us see the cloud forensics challenges. The first one is the investigator's top objective is gaining access to the log files in order to identify an occurrence. Locating the log files in the cloud environment where data is stored is unknown locations due to system spread is a difficult and time-consuming procedure. It is just partly applicable in IIS cloud model as it provides a virtual machine which behaves almost the same in the actual machine. The second challenge is physical inaccessibility. Due to global dispersal of the hardware devices in the cloud environment, locating data is a complex operation. The established digital forensics procedures and tools assume that physical access to the hardware is a fact. The third one is the volatile data. When a virtual machine instance in an IaaS service model is shut off or rebooted, the data saved in it is lost. This is due to the loss of critical evidence such registry entries, processes, and temporary internet files. In adversary, launch an attack on a virtual machine with no persistent storage synchronization. When the attack is completed, the adversary can shut down the virtual machine instance, leading to a complex loss of volatile data if no further countermeasures are installed. The other one is client-side identification. Evidence can be discovered in both the providers and client interfaces. The user agent on the client system is the only application that communicates with the service in the cloud. Hence, in an exhaustive forensic investigation, the evidence data gathered from the browser environment should not be omitted. Now, let us discuss about the cloud forensics preservation challenges. First one is integrity and stability. In cloud investigations, for IAS, PAS, and SAS, evidence integrity preservation and stability are critical. We must preserve the data to acquire evidence in multi-judicial environment, a difficult task without violating any law. If the integrity is not preserved, then the evidence will not be admissible to the court of law. It is also difficult to maintain the stability of the data because of the transient nature and dedicated decryption of the data in a cloud. Internal staffing. From identification to preservation, this issue affects all three services models and all four stages. To conduct an investigation in cloud forensics, a number of people must be involved in a team. The team should consist of investigators and technical knowledge, legal advisors, and special external staff with deep knowledge in new technology and skills. Time synchronization. Date timestamps as digital evidence are very important in court law flow. Once they can be easily altered, additional verification needs to be obtained. Otherwise, investigations cannot attain whether the event occurred at a certain time. Multi-jurisdiction. Another challenge for the investigation is the obtaining evidence from three cloud models from separate jurisdictions. Because of the properties of cloud computing, data is typically dispersed all around the globe. Thus, it is very difficult, almost impossible to conduct evidence acquisition where the related laws or regulations may vary by countries. Now, let us discuss about the cloud forensics analysis challenges. Reconstruction. When conducting an inquiry, encrypted data will be useless if the encryption keys cannot be obtained. The evidence also can be compromised if the owner of the data is the only one who can provide the key, or if the key is destroyed. Furthermore, many CSPs are used encryption methods to store client's data in the cloud. In IIS, the VM time is under the client's control, meaning that all date and times used in the log and other records should be converted to the specific time system. Another solution to overcome this problem is the network time protocol designed by Mills. The latest protocol, RFC 5905, is the most efficient. The Another one is encryption. To protect themselves from an activity, many cloud clients in all three services keep the data in an encrypted way. When conducting an inquiry, encrypted data will be useless if encryption keys cannot be obtained. The evidence also can be compromised if the owner of the data is the only one who can provide the key, or if the key is destroyed. I hope I have provided some useful knowledge in cloud forensics. Thank you.